Hi, once again, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we're going to talk about events. Events that occurred with your vehicle, all type of events because they're numerous. So for today's video, I'm going to select the whole flip. You can cherry pick the car that you want, the vehicle that you are interested in seeing event for. But myself, I'm going to choose all the vehicle and we click on events. We can choose the period. There's different time frame. So I'm gonna choose from 1st of April till for the whole month of April, from midnight till 11:59 p.m. We click on show events. It's gonna display basically for this one. I have event for my Klima. This is the event that occurred and the date of the event. For instance, this one had low battery on April 10th at 9:21 p.m. This car, they were crash reported. And we have for this vehicle also crash reported and outside of created geofence. So basically, it's every event that occurred, it's gonna report it. That's basically what events stand for. That's basically what it's used for. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time.